us. And, and I'm also glad, and it's a great honor to me that I'm representing my university to take part in Marhaba project of Erasmus program. My name Abdullah. I'm professor in chemistry. I got my PhD in London University. Now I'm professor in chemistry in my university, Raparin. The Raparin University, the name of the Raparin means uprising. And it belonged to an uprising for the Kurdish people in 1991 against the Iraqi regime. Probably some of you know about the Saddam brutal regime. So the name of the Raparin is coming from that point. And the Raparin University, we have two campuses. One of them is located in Raya, and two new campuses, and with a very new building. It is very comfortable, and also it's a primer suitable for student education. One of the campus stayed at Rania City, and located at Rania, and it's about 200 miles far from our capital, Erbil, capital of the Kurdistan Regional Government. And another campus is located in another city just beside or very adjacent to Raya City. It's about 20 or 25 miles away from the Rania center. Our university is very, very new. It was formally established by Kurdistan Regional Government in 2010. And it's a state university. And this university, in this university you have three faculties. One of them is education faculty, and the two others in social science and humanities. We have one school of the nursing and one school of the science that's contained or included three departments. One of them is the chemistry, and the other is the physics, and the third one is biology. So, our university mission and our vision also, it's exactly the same of each center of higher education in our area, and to prepare the students to serve in a community. So we have to achieve this mission and the vision. We have some goals early, and I can abbreviate it in 2 or 3 points. The first one is to impact or teach our students a very intensive and comprehensive and very advanced curriculum based on the international principle in a different sciences. And the second one is to educate our students on the base of the self-thinking, self-depending, independent debate, and also solve the problem of the community. To prepare to be attend and to meet mechanical challenges of advance or of our society. And the third one I can say of our goal is to develop our campuses for the face, for peace environment for our students and also faculties to do their activity really,
and to do their research work or research science activity, or you can say scholar activity, as in general. So for this purpose, we have that's a faculty, which is we have and about 16 departments of different science, history, geology, physiology, and law, and also biology, as I mentioned, chemistry and physics, the English language department, Kurdish language department, Arabic language department we have. So University of Bahrain, we have a good building of the research. It was really prepared very newly and with the advanced lab and also with the advanced facility and equipment. So we have a center language. Really, we know that this center language with a very professional international team teaching according to the advanced course and advanced curriculum, and just on the basis that the English language really is needed for the academic study. So this center for preparing the student also for postgraduate. You know that in our area, the postgraduate student should have a certain degree of the TOEFL or IELTS, or sometimes they should pass a very good language, English language, to enter to the higher educations for postgraduate, MSc and PhD in our university. And also for the undergraduate, really, we give them an intensive course just to pass the English exam, and also for our faculty, really, they should go to that center and improve their language or develop their language with English language for teaching. We have a good relations with the International Union. We are a member of the IAU, International Associations Union, and also we are a member of the Erasmus University, and also we are a member of our International Iraqian Associations University, and so we have a good relation with the many university, and we signed a memorandum of understanding with the many universities locally and also internationally. So that's a list of the relation or cooperation or relationship in scientific thing. So we have a list of this university which you have a cooperation or relation with them here, and here is our town, Rania University. It's located among two, surrounded by the mountain. It's exactly the same place or near place to Sequoia, as he mentioned, a slide with a nice snow around in his picture. So it's a quite good area, and really it's a nice place. We are very near to the lake, and it's a nice place with a very fine environment, really. Yeah, we will be very great if any of you come and visit our university, and thank you very much.